So in the question we are given three variables n, d and h. N represents the number of days for which the rainfall will occur. D is the integer that will decide that by how much the water level will decrease if there is no rain on a particular day. And H is the level above which red alert will be issued. So we have three variables n, d and h. We will input them and then we will make an integer array of n variables, and then for each we will enter the amount of rainfall that we will be receiving on that particular day. I will represent the ith day, so we will declare two more variables, int sum is equal to 0 and flag is equal to 0. Sum will be used to measure the water level after each rainfall, and if sum exceeds h, then red alert will be issued, or else if on a particular day there is no rainfall or x of I xi is equal to 0, then the sum will be decreased by d, and if sum is already less than d, then sum will be equal to 0 after that day's rainfall. So we will declare another loop for I. For j, we will traverse the whole loop, and if x of j, that is if on a particular day the rainfall is greater than 0, then sum will be incremented by x of j, or else if there is no rainfall on a particular day, that is x of j equal to 0, that means our sum will be decreased. Now the question arises that by how much will it decrease. Now if sum is already less than d, then sum will be equal to 0, or else if sum is not less than d, then sum will be decremented by d. Now after each iteration we will measure the level of rainwater. Now if on a particular day the sum exceeds the cautious water level, flag will be increased. Here we declared flag equal to 0. Now if a red alert is issued, then flag will be incremented. Now we come out of the loop and we will see if flag greater than 0, that means even if one red alert is issued, then we will output yes, or else if there is no breach of the maximum water level, then we will output no. That's it. That's a simple question. I'll run it for you. So here we got a correct answer. Thank you.